If you've been online any length of time, you've likely heard of the affiliate marketing business model. Affiliate marketing is the simple model of businesses paying commissions to others for selling their products and services. To get started, you simply join the affiliate programs of these businesses and get an affiliate link. You then recommend their products and services, they do the selling, and you earn a commission from each sale. Affiliate marketing is the easiest business model for most solopreneurs because of its advantages over other business models. You don't have to create products or buy inventory, which is a big time saver. Once you make a sale, your job is done, since the vendor supports the customer. Plus, you can offer a wide variety of products and services in your niche by working with many different merchants. Affiliate marketing is a simple, low-cost business model, and works great for newbies and experienced marketers alike. It's perfect for stay-at-home moms and dads and even grandparents looking to supplement their income online. This rapid learning course will teach you everything you need to get started.